Hey guys, what's up? Guess what? I'm back again, and today we have the METRIACANTHOSAURUS. So I'm not quite sure if this is like Dino Rivals or Primal Attack, but if you scan them, it'll tell you which ones. Don't remember anymore. These two are just like pretty much the same sculpt. Look at that. It has a curved neck, has a curved body, same features, no sound. Oh yeah, there's a sound. My gosh, I forgot. So that's pretty much all it does. Just the looks like the jaw's about to fall off. It opens so wide. There we go. There's the buttons in the back. And this is my Hammond collection, METRIACANTHOSAURUS. Super hard to find now and really pricey at eBay. Crazy how scalpers stake up the prices, like raise up the prices. It's insane. So I'm glad I had a Hammond collection METRIACANTHOSAURUS here. Also, I also have this Dino Escape METRIACANTHOSAURUS. I haven't opened it yet. It's been here for years now. You can tell this plastic rope has turning yellow now, a little yellowish. Battery that's not working that much anymore, even though it's still in the box. So for some reason I don't want to open it, so let's put it in the back. Dino Escape. So the reason why I brought this guys out because yesterday I decided to go to my local Target here and I found this guy right here. Finally, another wild roar. But sadly, I did not find the Triceratops and the Stomatosuchus. It came along with the Cryolophosaurus. I found another one again. Another Cryolophosaurus yesterday. Look. And this one. So I didn't get this anymore because I already have it. So I just grabbed this one, thankfully. There was only one left. So hopefully in the next few days they're gonna restock it. They're gonna have the Triceratops and the Stomatosuchus. Yeah, that's the two I'm looking for now. I'm gonna grab one of the Triceratops and at least maybe three. One for a repaint and then one for a hybrid, I guess. We'll see. But anyways, let's open up this brand new baby right here. Let's check it out. Alright guys, so while I'm opening this, I'd like to say many thank you from the Cryolophosaurus video that has a lot of views and likes now. Thank you so much. Hopefully this one will beat that one. Okay, let's fix the legs. Let's take out the tail. It looks like a Thagomizer now for some reason. I can see the tail full of spikes there. Oh, okay. What is this? A Stegosaurus? Look at that! What kind of METRIACANTHOSAURUS is this? Looks like Mattel exaggerated the tail, made it look like a what? This Stegosaurus or a Kentrosaurus now? That's crazy. All right, let's compare to the classic METRIACANTHOSAURUS. Look at the jaw right there. It has little spikes on its jawline now. It's crazy. Compared to the classic METRIACANTHOSAURUS, nothing. The tail obviously was exaggerated. It looks pretty much the same height. They're still the same height. Now we're gonna take the Hammond collection. The Hammond collection is obviously has a longer link. Always Hammond collection has longer links than the tail. Okay. Look at that. Now, let's see what you can. There you go, there's the lights. So sadly it only goes on its right side. Right there. It doesn't go left, up or down, just on the right side. Look at that. Nice jaw, the tongue right there. Glad they made it pinkish on the upper jaw right there, the upper gums. Because usually it was, yeah, didn't paint this one. Look, it's dirty in there now. How about this one? Oh yeah, this one too. It's also pink. That's good then. But the weird part is its tail. It's full of Thagomizers. Like I said, like a Stegosaurus now, or a Stegosaurid. So it is a mutated METRIACANTHOSAURUS. So yeah, there you have it for today, guys. Arms are also soft. Not as sharp as the Cryolophosaurus. Look at the claws on this guy. It's really sharp, but it's soft. This one has smaller claws. Alright guys, anyways, hope you enjoyed this video again. Don't forget to share it if you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good one now. Hopefully the next video will be another wild roar, the Triceratops or the Stomatosuchus. Alright guys. Oh, also I've heard that the Indominus Rex Hammond collection is already out. It's not here in the US though, it's in Canada, I've heard. Somebody's already posting it. Not in the US. Okay guys. Thank you again. Have a good one now.